Are you done, Bobby? We're trying to shoot a video for content.
What?
Are you done?
What?
That's what you can't hear me, huh? I know. You need to get them mirrors checked.
I need to, huh?
Thank you.
I'm just selling product while you're standing there talking to yourself.
The love here at EZLYNK. Hey guys, Derek here with EZLYNK ELD. Today we're going to walk you through the steps on our vehicle inspection report on how to fix a defect. Today we have a perfect example with a taillight that got cracked. We're going to show you the steps on our mobile app on the proper procedure to get it corrected and signed off by your fleet manager. All right, from your dashboard, we're going to make sure you're on duty, not driving. And we're going to go to the three lines in the top corner, go down to vehicle inspection. And from here, we're going to click the plus button on the top right and begin our inspection. So we are doing a vehicle inspection. We got the date, the time, the vehicle ID, and the location that we're at, as well as our AutoAgent serial number. From here we can go through the list. We've already gone through the vehicle, walked around it, and discovered what's good and what we need to correct. As you can see, we have a tail light that needs changed out because there's a crack in it. So we came down here, find the tail light, and you have a couple options where you can notate that the defect does not need corrected. This one does. We're just going to make a comment here that says taillight cracked and needs replaced. We'll hit done. We can add a photo. And at that point, we carry on with the inspection. We do our confirmation, hit next. You can add a note saying that you've inspected everything else and everything else seems to be well, or just the one defect needs replaced. And sign it and certify it, and away you go. At this point, we're going to go ahead and get this taillight swapped out for the new one. We'll be right back. All right guys, so we're back. We now have the taillight repaired. The new one has been installed. We're going to continue on with the inspection and show you how it works. In our vehicle inspections, we're going to click on the inspection that we did earlier today, and it'll bring you to the general information. We can go in and hit sign on the top right-hand corner, and then you can see that we've already done the driver's signature. What we're going to do is go into the mechanic's signature. Now, if you're an owner-operator, you can do this yourself, or if you work for a fleet, you can have your fleet manager or your fleet's mechanic go in and sign off on this repair. So go in and make the name, with the action being corrected, if there's any additional notes needed, and then we'll go in and the mechanic will sign, hit done. And now the mechanics signed off on the repair. And then the last step, we'll have reviewing the driver's signature, that the driver has verified that the mechanic has gone in and corrected the error, and that the driver has gone in and corrected the issue. Sign off, and that completes the process. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. As always, thanks for watching. Check out these videos and make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more EZLYNK content. We'll see you in the next one.